Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to create your own character in Freepik. Let's dive in. Go to the Freepik AI Suite, then go to Create and New Character. So we're just gonna click on New Character, and on this time it's very important to say that you should have permission of the person you use the photos of to create the character. In this case, Sergio gave me his permission to use photos of him to create and train a lore of him, but you can also use AI generated images in order to create a character. The only thing you need is 12 to 24 images, and they can be like different poses, different lighting, different cameras, or different prompts that you made, just to give a resource of different patterns for the AI to create your character. So what we're gonna do in this case, I'm gonna name my character Sergio. Well, Sergio. Then I'm going to select a gender if I want to. I can add like any I want over there. And we're gonna upload the images over here, his photos. Okay, so now we have the 12 images. That's the minimum needed to get your character to be designed. So let's create our character now. And by the way, I'm going to leave you some links, very useful links on the description, so you check them out. Our character is ready, so we have it here, Sergio, and we're just going to test it out. So I just typed add Sergio, and then I'm just going to do the prompt. It's on the instructions of Freepik, it says that you should add like a characteristic of what your character is wearing, or the color of the hair, just in case like you want consistency towards that. So we're gonna do that. Wearing t-shirt and walking in the middle of Central Park. For this, I'm using the mode Flux 1, and I'm going to make it to 1. Just to make it cinematic. So let's click generate and see what happens. We're gonna see our results over here. This is really cool when you're trying to have consistency in either like a short film or a conceptual film. Just overall, oh wow, this is really good. He does really look alike. This is actually really good. Wow. Also, I forgot to tell you guys that you can just lower the strength if you don't want it to look the same. If your character is doing like different things in different days, wearing different clothes, then by all means change the strength little bar. But if you want it like consistent, it's really important that you add like what he is wearing, just to make it like as accurate as possible. And let's make one more with it. Just let's create one with another prompt just to see, and another aspect ratio. Oh wow, I'm impressed. It does really look like Sergio. Well, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you liked it, and don't forget to check out my other videos that will pop out over here. Just leave out your doubts that you have or comments, and yeah, maybe subscribe if you like this video. I will also leave some useful links in the description, so don't forget to check them out. Thank you so much. Bye.